Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NLPS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana. Today I would like to take a math class for junior 1. Dear students, today's topic subtraction part 2, lecture 22 and homework also 22. Let's start our class. Subtraction part 2, lecture 22 and homework 22. So dear learners, in our previous class we already know that how to do subtraction. Yes, this is a minus sign and it represents the subtract. Okay, and we learn the subtraction means. What is the subtraction means? Subtraction is to remove or take away. So here are we start from ones place. You know that here are 3 and 2, or ones place 3 and 2. There are 3 sticks, you know, and here are 2, and you remove 1 and 2. We cut how many left? Stick 1 left here. You are right. Now move on 10th place. 10th place, here are 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you have to remove 1 or cut down 1. How many sticks we have left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can write here 4. Now 100 place, or 100 place, here are 9 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and we take away 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I cut down 5 sticks. How many sticks we have left? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 4, and our answer 441. Now move on next questions. Same way, here are 4 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and our ones place is also 4 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we cut down. So there are no sticks in our remain. So we write here 0. Next place, 10th place. Here are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We remove 3 sticks, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 left. Here 3. 100 place 10, 8 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our 8 sticks. And we take away 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. How many sticks do we have left? Yes, 5 sticks we have left. And our answer is 530. Okay, now remove it. Now question number 3. We start ones place, subtracting by ones place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7, and we remove 2 sticks, and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have left. Now we write 5. Now move on next 7 sticks and 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we take away 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sticks, I cut down how many sticks? 2 sticks left. There are 2 sticks. Now 100 place 6. There are 6 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sticks left? Yes, we have 2 sticks. Here are 2. Our answer 225. Okay, dear learners, hope understood. And your homework will be, our homework is 22 and CW to Insta. Okay, dear learners, hope you understood today's topic. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.